Show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there. Hey, let's go! Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. But I know that I don't and I won't ever stop. Cause you know I gotta win every day. Go!
What's up, Tigers? I'm Jenna.
And I'm Maddie. Welcome to this edition of Tiger Talk.
Thanks for taking time off the soccer field to come do this.
My pleasure. I can always make time for Zero Period. We are live and local from the broadcast studios in D119.
Let's get to some school news. ASB elections are coming up, and you can start voting April 3rd.
Open house is also March 30th. This year, there will be food trucks.
And definitely don't miss Legally Blonde, the drama show that opens Thursday, March 23rd, right here at the Intercom Theater.
Hi, I'm Sarah Palgonis, and I'm playing Brooke Wyndham from Legally Blonde. I am looking forward to doing my song Whipped into Shape with jump roping and belting at the top of my lungs, and not falling. Watch it!
More events coming up. Our boys volleyball team competed against River Valley. Let's take a look at some highlights.
Watching the volleyball game makes me miss sports.
No worries, you can always be a part of our dodgeball event Friday, March 24th. Athletes Committed is hosting, and it's only $6 a team, and the winners get a prize.
Wow, that sounds really fun. So come play or cheer your 6-person team. And Friday Night Live will be holding Casey's Pledge, an event for safe driving during the first week in April at both lunches.
That's right. Look for the table to sign the pledge in the atrium. Casey's Pledge is in honor of Casey Goodwin. She was sadly killed by a drunk driver, but she devoted her life as an amazing ambassador for teens against drunk driving.
Such a good inspiration for our community. Now that'll do it for us. G is for grit, R is for responsibility,
O is for optimism, W is for world focus, and L is for learner's profile.
Go Tigers, growl!
Show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there. Hey, let's go! Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. But I know that